On the Singer Simple sewing machine, you have two needle positions for the straight stitch. So right now, most of the time I sew with the needle in the center needle position. But if I do need the needle to be in the far right needle position, when you look at this knob, you'll notice there are 3 stitches that have a little bit dot in the center at the top. So you see kind of that long oval and the dot is in the center. Then over here, the dot is over to the right. Now notice that I had my needle out of the fabric when I turn this dial because that needle is going to move. If it's in the fabric, well, you're going to kind of bend the needle as it's going there. But now I can have the needle over here on the far right side of the foot. So depending if you're sewing a zipper in, doing some top stitching, there's a time and place to pick one of the 2 needle positions. But when you're done, I would recommend bring it back to the center for normal sewing.